move. Sing along and find the groove. I'm the lion, big and strong, with the golden mane so long. I roar loud, can you try? Let's all roar, give it a try. Roar!
Lions are called the king of the jungle.
I'm an elephant, big and gray, with a trunk that swings all day. I stomp my feet, I spray some water. Come and play, it's so much fun.
Elephants have trunks to drink water and grab food.
I'm a monkey, see me swing, jumping high, it's my thing. I ooh ooh ah ah, I love to play, climb the trees all day. Ooh ooh ah ah.
Monkeys love bananas and climbing trees.
I'm a zebra, black and white, running fast, it's such a sight. I neigh and gallop all around, find me racing on the ground. Click clop, click clop.
That have stripes to stay safe from predators. But giraffe was so tall.
With a long neck, I see it all. I munch the leaves, I stretch up high, eating trees up to the sky. Chop, chop, hop.
Giraffe use their long necks to eat leaves from tall trees.
I'm a crocodile, swimming fast, with big sharp teeth that really last. I grow left, I hide so well, in the water where I go. There's rock, life in rivers, and have super strong jaws.
I'm an air, big and strong, walking through the woods so long. I grow loud, I love sweet honey. Yummy, yummy, isn't it funny?
There's love, honey, and sleep in caves in winter.
At the end, wasn't it fun?
Learning animals one by one. Come back soon, we'll sing again with all our zoo animal friends. Yay! Bye bye, zoo friends!
Bye-bye, zoo friends!